arm's dirty. That's why. I was just talking to myself. But hi, this is the beginning of the vlog. Because hi, nice to meet you. I forgot to talk in this video. So I have to explain some stuff. 2 weeks ago, my family went on 3 adventures. 2 of those 3 adventures are filmed because I did not go on the last one because it was just snorkeling and I don't like to snorkel. So this is us going to Sea Life, I think is what it's called, and it's a hike to a waterfall, but I didn't get the waterfall because I was too busy getting in the cold ass water to get a picture. And then I filmed it on my mom's phone and it turned out shitty, so I'm not gonna use that clip, like, obviously. Unless I do use that clip, because it was very shitty. Like, it was poor quality, despite the fact that our phones are like 1 year old. But yeah, enjoy the video. hike fucking water to a waterfall. I thought I would film. I'm probably gonna put this with the rest of the fucking I'm just vibing. The rest of the footage I have from this weekend, so yeah. I also might film TikToks since I am a TikToker. This is gonna be totally unfucking steady because I shake way too much. And there's a bunch of more waves. Okay. We're at the waterfall. I don't know if y'all can hear me. We're at the waterfall. I keep holding my phone now. We're at the waterfall. We're eating first. But you can see the peacock in the tree. You can see the peacock in the tree. I'm just a fucking idiot. Making a video.